Date night here at my home, and for my sweetheart, this is what I will be preparing today. Spaghetti with crab meat and white wine sauce. Delicious. And toasted panko breadcrumbs. This is such a quick recipe that we're going to begin by cooking the spaghetti. And you're going to want to cook it 1 minute less than what is on the package. Over medium heat, 4 tablespoons, 3 anchovies, sliced chili peppers, saute until the anchovies dissolve, 3 sliced garlic cloves, and saute them for no more than 1 minute. 2 cups of sliced cherry tomatoes. Can you taste it? 1 cup of fresh shredded crab meat. So fresh, the zest of 1 lemon. 1/3 cup of pitted calamari olives. I'm going to say it if you could only smell my kitchen. 1/3 cup of white wine. And we're going to cook it until it reduces and all the alcohol evaporates. Season with pepper and salt. There's an unwritten rule in Italy. You cannot put Parmesan cheese on fish recipes. And I love putting toasted panko breadcrumbs. We're just going to toast them for a couple of minutes. Toasted breadcrumbs are done. Transfer the pasta to the sauce. It'll continue cooking for an extra minute in the pan. Oh, smells incredible. Final touch, fresh parsley. Beautiful. My sweetheart is here and I'm going to serve him and myself. Definitely going to taste it for you. A little bit of breadcrumbs. I love breadcrumbs on fish recipes. So good. This is so delicious. And you saw how quick it was to prepare. If you have a fish lover in your home, you definitely have to prepare this dish. I want to thank you so much for joining me today. And it's Caterina from my home to yours. Don't forget to hit your like button. And if you haven't already done so, subscribe to my channel and share my recipes. I'm going to sit down with my sweetheart and we are going to eat.